Haulage and passenger operations by nature are very different in many ways, so the exams have a very slightly different content. So you must choose either haulage or passenger operations as your course exam option. The course itself is intense, as I said. It covers 9 different modules. The first module is introduction and setting up a transport operation, be that passenger or haulage operations. It's in relation to the setting up of a company, limited companies, sole traders, etc. Then we have the second part, which is access to the market, and that covers marketing, branding development, etc. So again, very, very interesting part of the course. It brings out an awful lot of knowledge from current students in relation to their experience, in relation to their business and their operations, etc. Then we have road transport operations management, which is a technical aspect of the course, and that's in relation to the management aspects of a business. How to manage staff, how to manage equipment, how to manage fleets, how to manage budgets, how to manage really anything, and the skills that are needed by a manager to do these things. We then have vehicle licensing, which is the requirement by law to have all vehicles licensed on the road. That excludes the likes of driver's licenses, but this is vehicle-specific licensing, license permits, and other documentation that a vehicle would have to be on the road to operate for hire and reward. Then we have finance and accounting. It sounds scary, not really. It's a very in-depth part of the course, a very important part of the course. Some people would say maybe the most important part of the course. It's in relation to keeping company budgets, company accounts for revenue and for operational purposes, and it is very deep and covered in depth within the course itself. We then have vehicle technical specifications, and for those students that will be truck drivers or coach drivers currently and want to upskill, this will cover all aspects of the vehicle itself, the weights, dimensions, axle configurations, heights, lengths, widths, etc. We then have civil, commercial and social law, and that's in relation to contract law, company law, employment law, social welfare law, driving law, etc., both in Ireland and across the EU. We have international transport agreements and licenses, which are special licenses that vehicles have to have if they exit Ireland and go into either Northern Ireland, the UK, or into Europe as a whole. Some companies have to have certain licenses. We then have the final chapter, which is vehicle road safety, tachograph regulations, working time directive, maintenance and other regulations. Again, this is a key and critical part of the course, in that it explains to the student the rules and regulations in relation to the operation of a vehicle on the road, the maintenance plans, schedules, overhauls, etc. When we get through those modules, and each one is very, very difficult, but it's detailed, it's very, very detailed. Each one is detailed and gives the student a broad introduction to all aspects of what we required from a transport manager in his or her daily duties. Our certified trainers have over 125 years combined experience between them. They have extensive and detailed industry knowledge and have been or still are acting as transport managers within the haulage or passenger industries, both in Ireland and across the EU bloc.